it's me, Alegra. Dolls, look who's here. This is Miss Roxy Rude. Look how big she's getting. This is my puppy. If it's your first time here, she just jumped up on my lap, so I can't put her down. You know how it is. I just can't say no to her. But she wanted to come and say hi. She's getting so big, beauties, but I just can't say no to her. So anywho, dolls, I found another advent calendar at the drugstore, and so today I figured I would hop on and do an advent calendar unboxing makeup 2021 and share what is in this advent calendar with you beauties. This advent calendar is super affordably priced. I did pick it up at CVS, so I figured today we could unbox it. Let me grab it and show it to you. It's very festive looking. I have no idea who it's from. I don't recognize the name brand or things of that nature. It's from U-Style. Have you beauties ever heard of a brand called U-Style? I haven't heard of them, but that doesn't mean a thing. It could be amazing. And did I tell you guys this is $9.99, 12 days of beauty. So who knows what's in here? I don't know. Have you guys seen this at the drugstore? Let me know down below. But before we dive into today's video, if it's your first time here, hi, my name is Alegra Chetti. I hope you'll subscribe and stay in touch. We have tons of giveaways, makeup, videos, fashion. Did I say giveaways? We have lots and lots of giveaways. So actually we're gonna have a giveaway today, so be on the lookout. I'm gonna hide it in this video, so keep your eyes and ears peeled to find out what the giveaway requirements are, what it is, all that good stuff. Anyway beauties, let's jump in to unboxing this advent calendar. So here it is, beauties. Oh, here is day one. Oh my god, so what is this? I do see a snowman on the packaging. So it looks like it is a white chocolate body lotion. Okay, I was not expecting that. For $9.99, I figured, you know, and since I haven't heard of this brand, I never just wasn't anticipating white chocolate body lotion. That sounds amazing. I gotta smell it and try it right now. Let's give it a try. Okay. So I don't, well, it doesn't have any scent really. It definitely does not smell like chocolate whatsoever, because I do love chocolate scents. Like I did have one time I went to Hershey Park. Did you guys ever hear there's like an amusement park here on the East Coast in Pennsylvania, and it's Hershey Park, and they have Hershey's scented body lotion, shampoos, everything, you name it. They smell good. They smell so good. Yeah, this doesn't have any scent, but I do have to say my hands feel really soft. It is softening. So it is a body lotion. They're not lying about that, but whether it's white chocolate scented, I don't know about that. But so far my hands do feel really good. So let's keep it moving, guys. Let's try out and see. Let's unbox day number 2. Guys, what is this? This is also snowman packaging, white chocolate shower gel. Well, I'm pretty much sure this is not going to smell like white chocolate. So, but it is very cute. Packaging with the little snowman on it. Very festive. That would make a cute gift maybe for a kid. This is so far would, you know, be very nice maybe for a child that is not, you know, maybe they can't read and they're not looking for the white chocolate. When I saw white chocolate scent, it really got my hopes up. But anyhow, but if you didn't read that, you might like this, you know. So anyway, here's day number 3. Oh, look how, what is that, day number 3 or what? I think I just opened day number 5 by accident as well, or I could see things are just coming out of the other doors. So okay, day number 3, or wait, did I say 3? Okay, sorry. 3 is this cutie patootie little emery board, nails to file your nails and things like that. Pink, adorable with the snowman. So okay, let's keep it moving now. That was 3, and now where is here's day 4, this cute little penguin. So here, oh, it's a little bath bomb. That's so cute. I think that's a bath bomb, a little bath fizzy. Also pink, adorbs. So cute. So this seems so far like a beauty type of box. I'm not sure there's going to be makeup, but you never know. So let me go ahead and find day number 5. Here's 5. Oh, here's what I almost opened this before in day 3. It started coming through day 3. So it's a poof for the shower, and I could use one of these. This is actually will come in very handy. So look at how cute, pink, and you know, I needed one, so there you go. So there's day number 5. And then here, let's see, where's day 6? Oh, here's day number 6, candy cane day. Oh, okay, what is this? Oh, is this bath salts? No, they really, if they wrote white chocolate on this too, and I just know this does not smell like white chocolate. But otherwise, this would have been the cutest little thing. But it's a little bath salts with a little cute creature on it. A little, I don't know, hedgehog. So cute. Little Christmas, with a little Christmas outfit on. Adorable. So anyway, guys, here's day number 7. I have lost, oh, what is this? Oh, another crystals, like probably a salt for the bath. This is candy cane bath salt. Do you think this smells? Beauties, what are the chances that this smells like candy cane? Because candy cane is another scent that I love. And if this smelled like candy cane, I'd be so happy. But I have a feeling it doesn't, because that lotion didn't smell. So I don't have high hopes for anything. Oh, it does smell good and minty. Ooh, so let me try this one then. This was the previous day, and they said this smells like white chocolate. I don't know, guys. Let me try it out, because the candy cane one smells really good. It does smell like peppermint and candy cane. That's festive, you know. I don't know if it does smell like something. Maybe it smells like chocolate once you put it in the water. I don't know. I don't really smell chocolate. But there is some kind of scent, but it's not necessarily the most pleasant scent. But it's not a bad scent, but you know, it's not like great. It's not a scent that I like, let's put it that way. So anyway, guys, here's day number 8. Oh, another nail file. Just leave that in there for now. Let me see, day number 6, 7. Oh, here's 9. Oh, a chapstick. I just can't even get this stuff out anymore, so I'm just giving up. I'm just leaving it in the box. Okay, here's a lip cream candy cane. So the candy cane scent did come through and it smelled really good. So this might be amazing. Let me see. Oh, it's gonna open it. I figured it was, no, it doesn't smell. No, it has no scent. Very disappointing. Because don't get my hopes up with candy cane scent and then nothing comes out. It's a little bit strange. Okay, so here's day number 10. Another Bath Fizzy, a blue one. Here it is. Here's a little Bath Fizzy. And here's day 11. It's just falling apart, you guys. The box is just falling apart. Here's day number 11. Candy cane shower gel. So let's see if this, you know, I guess candy cane is an easier. Yes, this smells like candy cane. This smells good. I guess candy cane maybe is an easier scent to create than the scent of white chocolate. So anyway, that was day 11. Okay, now guys, we made it to day 12. This is a 12-day advent calendar. So after this, we are all opened. All the doors are opened. It's, you know, we're gonna have to get another one, but who knows. So let's go ahead and see what it is. Oh, it's candy cane. It's a candy cane scented hand cream. So nice. And that lotion does still feel good. That first lotion that I put on, it does still feel good on my hands. So this is really cute, and the packaging on everything was adorable. Definitely would be something interesting, maybe for like a preteen or somebody like that. I don't know, guys. Yeah, I don't know. You know, I'm not gonna I'm not gonna say that was the best. That would be the best gift for a preteen, 10 to 11, 12, you know. Anyway, this is just, yeah, we'll just leave it at that. We'll just leave it at that and call it a day. If you see it, now you guys know what's inside. You can give it as a gift if you'd like. If you know somebody that likes lotions and bath things, then maybe this would be a great little gift for them. $9.99, so it's a great price point. CVS does have so many coupons, so you could wind up getting this potentially free, because I've gotten $20 back in coupons. So that's what's really great about CVS. They always have those beauty bucks, so would be great if you got that free. But anyway, beauties, thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today and checking out this advent calendar. And actually, this was not makeup. I thought it was going to be makeup, but apparently it wasn't. So unfortunately, this is definitely a dud. So this was in the makeup section, so I did assume there was going to be makeup in here, but there wasn't. This is totally bath and body products, so this was a major fail, I gotta say, on my part, because there was no makeup in this makeup advent calendar. So anyway, let's keep it positive, let's keep it happy, let's keep it moving. Let's, you know, guys, what do you think? Would you ever purchase one of those 300? I saw a Dior advent calendar the other day, 500 and some odd dollars. There's a Chanel advent calendar, $800. The Charlotte Tilbury is 300 up. Would you ever purchase one of those? Let me know down below, and when you do enter, let me know down below. You'll be entered into today's giveaway. Today I'm giving away another 5-piece makeup mystery box. So just comment down below, would you purchase an advent calendar for over $300 not knowing what's inside? Although you could watch a video and find out, but what's the fun in that, you know? You could find out what's in these videos before you, what's in these boxes before you buy them, but that kind of ruins the surprise. So would you buy one sight unseen? Let me know down below and be entered into today's giveaway. Don't forget to subscribe and also give me a thumbs up if you like today's video. So beauties, I love you so much. I hope you're all doing good. Happy holidays. Let me know how your holidays are going so far. I want to know everything. I want to know all the details. Let me know. Let me know everything, and I will see you dolls very soon. Bye.